Okay.
So you got them sorted out?
Hi, I'm Wendy Janine. My name is Noxzima. My name is Nicole.
Hi, I'm Danny.
What's your name?
Amber.
Alright, start.
Fantia Papunse, Kakoste. Poshilamo, Van Lepe, Potsavre, is Voce. Eugene, Afrique. Okay.
So you got them sorted out? Because that really looked funny. Alright, go.
We're ready. Fantia Papunos, Kakosti, Poshaliamo, Vam Lepi, Potsavre, is Yasuni, Afrique.
It looks like an African language. Bantu Papunse Kakuste, Poshiliamo Vam Lepe Postrave, is Broche, Južne Afrike, Glej komentar minuto se naprej. Fanče Papunse Kakoste, Pošiljámo Van Lepe Pozdrave, is Broche, Južne Afrike.
Fantea Papunse Kakoste, Poshaliamo, oh wow. Vam Lepe Potsdave is Bruche, Eugene, Afrique. I have to say this?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna look like such an idiot.
And just take your time. Don't go too fast.
Fante Papunse Kakoste, Poshiliamo Vam Lepe Potsdave is Bruche, Južne Afrike. Glej komentar minuto se naprej.
Awesome. That's all I needed.
Thanks.
Thank you girls so much. See you later. Take care.